Okay, guys. This is the first time I'm using this. You can barely see me. This is so weird. Okay, so today I came across a really cool website. It's called Bloom's Candy. I was just searching the web for like the weirdest different flavors to try out, and I thought, you know, what's better than trying out soda? So I came across this website and it has some of the weirdest types of drinks and flavors. So for example, if I scroll down, there is a bacon flavored soda, ranch dressing soda, peanut butter and jelly soda. That's really weird. And then if you scroll down further, you'll see that there's dirt soda. There's grass soda. How ridiculous is that? And then moving down further, I don't know what that says. It says beef drinker teriyaki beef jerky soda. That sounds interesting. Definitely something I would try there. Oh my gosh, it gets weirder as you go down. Toxic slime. Interesting. Oh my god, I don't think I could do this one. Barf soda. That's so gross. Oh my gosh. Okay, zombie brain juice. Okay, that's just a weird name. I don't think that's a unique flavor or anything there. Bug barf soda. Ever wondered what bug barf tasted like? Well, there you go. Pumpkin pie soda. That would be really cool. It looks like there is chocolate covered maple smoked bacon. That sounds really good. And then there's gross Gus bloody nose soda. That's so gross. Oh my gosh. Gross Gus dinosaur dung. I don't even know what that means. I don't know what that is. Okay, and then there's Boots caramel apple soda. Let's keep scrolling. Let's see. Some of these aren't that, that weird. So Boots coconut cream soda. That's okay. Let's see. We have another set of drinks on a different page. Let's see. There's only 3 left of the chocolate chip cookie dough bites. That sounds really good. And then it looks like Grandpa Lundquist's Glog Scandinavian Punch. Okay. Let's see. This one says Nuclear Orange Bomb Soda Kim Yong. Okay. And then the Arroz con Leche soda. I don't know what that means. So that's it, guys. So I'm gonna pick 3 sodas that I'm going to try from this list, and I'm gonna do a review on them. So I've already placed the order, so I'm gonna try, because I'm a wuss and I cannot go straight to the Barf soda. No way. Maybe next time, guys. Sorry. So I'm gonna try the peanut butter and jelly soda. So I've already purchased this one. I'm gonna try the buffalo wing soda. I'm a huge fan and lover, or whatever you want to call it, of buffalo wings, chicken wings, all types of wings. I love that stuff. So I'm definitely gonna try that in the form of soda. Who doesn't like peanut butter and jelly, right? I mean, come on now, guys. And then one of the last ones that I'm going to try is a surprise soda. So I will let you know once I get the order what that is. So who knows, it might be Barf, it might be any of these. So let's see what it is. So keep an eye out for that next post where I try that one secret recipe, secret flavored weird soda. And that's it, guys. So keep a lookout for that. This is a really weird video because I'm like a ghost. So woo! Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned next time for the uncovering or unwrapping or whatever, I don't have the words for what it's gonna be, of the secret soda. Thank you. Bye.